and welcome to Muhina Vlogs. It has been, I don't know how long. I think it has been around 2 years. मैं आप सबसे नहीं मिली हूँ, तो I thought that I should say hello on YouTube. So I have a lot of mom experience now. So आप सब ने मुझसे बहुत सारे सवाल पूछे and I think I'm ready to answer them. So hi Priyanka.
Hi.
So you have the questions?
Absolutely.
Okay, so let's start.
Right. So we all know that you are a mother of two now. Isn't it difficult to manage a toddler and a newborn? And how do you manage things?
It is a little tough, especially because the firstborn child is so used to आपका पूरा attention. तो सेकंड चाइल्ड जब आता है तो फर्स्ट वाले को प्रॉब्लमेटिक लगता है कि व्हाट इज दिस, वेयर हैज माय अटेंशन व्हिच आई वाज गेटिंग गॉन. आई हैव टू मेक श्योर कि दोनों का अटेंशन कम ना हो, दोनों को इक्वल अटेंशन मिले. ऑफ कोर्स किसी एक को मैं फुल अटेंशन नहीं दे सकती हूँ, सो इट हैज़ टू बी डिवाइडेड. सो दैट इज़ द ओनली डिफिकल्टी वन फेसेस, बट देन एवरी डिफिकल्टी हैज़ सॉल्यूशंस.
So how has your life changed, especially after becoming a mother?
So when I got married, I became a mother of many. That was a different experience. But having given birth to two children makes you really, really respect other mothers and your own mother. So मेरे लिए वो change आया कि when I had my children, I really had a much softer corner for my own mother, for Suyash ji's mother, for everybody, for every mother. I had a softer corner. For me, that was a very big change. Second, I think I became much more patient as a person. So these two changes.
All right. Since you are too much into spirituality, does motherhood allow you to connect more with your inner self and evolve yourself?
For me, absolutely. I think motherhood is another step into spirituality for mothers who want to take it that way. हर चीज़ आप करोगे तो आपका जो thought process है वो matter करता है. If you are going to think in a negative way, then you're not going to have a very spiritual experience with your motherhood. But if you're going to think in a positive way, if you're going to direct your life towards light and not darkness, your experience will also be spiritual. Your experience will be full of light.
Do you get time to indulge in your hobbies since you're a mother now and there are a hell lot of responsibilities on your shoulders?
Yes. So it gets a little tough. Definitely. मेरे पास बहुत कम समय है. I am too involved with my children to do anything else. But for me, my passion also really matters. And life में it's very simple. अगर आपको ये चाहिए तो आपको उन सारी चीज़ों के लिए मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. You have to find time for everything. So जितना आप किसी चीज़ से प्रेम करते हैं, प्यार करते हैं, आपको उसको ट्रीट भी वैसे ही करना पड़ेगा. आपको अपने समय को मैनेज करना पड़ेगा. You manage your time properly, सब कुछ हो सकता है.
So how is your day with your little ones?
My day with my little ones is, it makes me very content, makes me very happy. I think the happiest part of my day is they both somehow take their nap time at the same time, which is in the afternoon. और दोनों बच्चे साथ में जब बेड पे सोते हैं ना, when all the madness is over, I'm just like looking at both of them and I'm like, oh my god, I have produced these two, I can't believe it. And it's such a wonderful feeling. Ayansh is running around, he's a 2 years toddler. एंड वो इधर उधर भागता रहता है और मैं उसको देख के बहुत मतलब बहुत एक कंटेंटमेंट मिलती है, एक बहुत सुकून मिलता है. गौरिता, दैट्स माई डॉटर्स नेम. बहुत सारे आप आई थिंक पूछ रहे थे कि व्हाट्स माई डॉटर्स नेम, एंड माई डॉटर्स नेम इज़ गौरिता. तो गौरिता एक जगह she's just lying down because she's very young, 1 month old. And she just waits, when will mama pick me up? And when I pick her up, we both look at each other and we're just in love with each other. So that's how my day goes.
So how difficult it is to let go of your me time, especially now that you're a mother of two?
There is literally no me time. There is literally no me time. You really have to fight for that me time. 24 hours में से at least 2 hours you must take out for yourself. It is tough. It is very difficult for sure. लेकिन धीरे धीरे करके when the schedules are getting set, you know, make some space in the middle for yourself.
So there's a fan who's slightly confused and wants to know, I want to have a second child, but I'm scared that my love for my firstborn will reduce. Can you please help me with it?
See, the love does not reduce for sure. It gets divided. But because you love your child so much, if the second one comes in, you will figure it out. You will figure out how to make both of them feel loved. And it is your duty to make them both feel loved.
How to deal with irritation and mood swings, especially during the last trimester of the pregnancy?
Irritation is going to come in. Sometimes you'll get angry also. अगर आप meditation कर सकते हैं तो there is nothing like it. It can really help you. But अगर आपके पास time नहीं है, then a lot of people have a lot of difficulties, lot of problems. They say कि you know it's easy for you to say but it's difficult for us to do. I'm sure कि अगर आप try करो तो आप समय निकाल सकते हो meditation के लिए. पर अगर आप नहीं कर सकते हो तो just as soon as you feel that bout of anger or that bout of irritation, just take 2 minutes, just close your eyes, just breathe and think about, in that moment only, just think, is this going to solve the problem? It's not. You will always have that answer at the back of your head. It's not going to solve the problem. अपने आप को समझा दो कि इससे कुछ फ़ायदा ही नहीं है, तो इस इमोशन का भी कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. So try and avoid anger and irritation.
What did you listen to or what did you read during both your pregnancies?
My first pregnancy, I read the Bhagavad Gita. I didn't complete it, but I read the Bhagavad Gita. There was not a single day where I was not listening to bhajans. Every day I listened to bhajans. My second pregnancy, I was watching this show called Upanishad Ganga on YouTube, which is a very, very nice show. You can also check it out.
So there's another fan who says, I'm very scared of being pregnant. It's a very huge responsibility. And how do I deal with this?
Lot of people, I've realized these days, are very scared of getting pregnant. So every change in life is going to have its set of fears. But that is what we learn in life, right? आप अपने fears को हटाओ और आगे बढ़ो. Think about what you're going to get ahead of the fear. अगर आपको child चाहिए, to get over your fears and think about what you want in your life. आपको कोई चीज़ बहुत मन से चाहिए है. For example, मुझे bungee jumping करनी थी. And of course, it is so scary. मैं जब edge पे थी और मैंने इतनी ऊंचाई से जब नीचे देखा तो of course मुझे डर लगा. लेकिन I wanted to do that. I wanted that experience. तो मैंने 1 सेकेंड नहीं लगाया. I just jumped. And what a feeling. तो when you get over your fear ना और आप वो चीज़ कर लेते हो तो आपको बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बहुत संतुष्टि मिलती है. You feel very happy. So yeah.
Tea, coffee?
I'll take some cold coffee, please.
Right.
Yes.
So after giving birth, your body goes through a lot of changes.
Yes.
Did your physical appearance affect you in any way?
Honestly, it's not affecting me at all. My friends, Shampa the other day was talking to me and she's like, "Guys, अपना weight loss करो, ये वो, you become so motu." But पता नहीं, मुझे affect ही नहीं कर रहा है. I'm very happy. I'm okay. I'm also okay because I know कि मैं ये आगे जाके weight घटा दूँगी. because I believe in living a healthy life. I believe in living an active life. तो मुझे इतना stress नहीं है. So I'm not worried. So by the way, this is my first cold coffee after so many days.
Here's your last question. How does one deal with the responsibilities of career and the demands of raising children simultaneously?
When you have a child, when a mother has a child, it's very important that the mother gives time to the child. So in this really fast paced world that we are living in, and I have also been a part of that fast paced race in my life, so I know how women can ignore their children, and I think it's unfair. It's unfair to bring children into this world and then not give them their due. You need to give them the love, you need to give them the time, you need to give them the nourishment. You have to love your children. That is a very essential part of anybody's life. So I would like to tell all the career oriented mothers that it's very important that we have good people in this world, people who care for this world, and they will care for this world only when the mother gives them care and love. So yeah,
For just a few words for your fans before we wrap up.
you guys still want to stay in touch, you guys still want to listen to me. आप सब इतने अच्छे अच्छे मैसेजेस करते हो, मैं कुछ भी पोस्ट करती हूँ तो आप सब इतने अच्छे अच्छे मैसेजेस करते हैं, and it's very very sweet of you all and very kind of you all, and I feel blessed. So you guys, a special thank you to you all because you all keep me motivated to stay relevant on Instagram and YouTube. Because otherwise मेरा कभी भी मन नहीं था कि no, everyone should remember me and everyone should stay in touch with me and everybody should remember what work I have done. This was really not my thought ever, and that's why it's sweeter when when it's like a bonus. It's like a bonus, and thank you for this bonus and thank you for this blessing. I also want to say thank you to Town Table in Dehradun for letting me use their space for my YouTube video.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. See you soon. Bye.